Got it here, Prometheus lights. This one is a copper flashlight. I love the copper look to it. Check this out. All you have to do is twist and turn it on, and it's a really nice flat light up flashlight, and it's a quick release from a keychain. All you have to do is just pop it in, and it's super tight. Look at that. And there's a spring around it. I guess locks it in here. There is another one they make, just plug-in operated one, but this is not a magnet, so magnet free. Boom. A really nice powerful flashlight. Whoa, there's a double. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that is cool. Twisty. I never seen before. 3 different modes by just spinning it. 1, 2, 3. Much brighter. Wow, that is unique. So, and it's copper on top of it. Beautiful flashlight. Also, they have one of these as a combo. You can buy it together a little bit better discount. This side here is a magnet, and as you can see, there's a cover on the magnet, and it's just twisty. And then if you pull on one of these, I think they come apart. Oh, there you go. Wow, not so easy. So you can make it much shorter by unplugging this one and plug it into here. That would be a lot easier, but that's good. It's not easier. It's not gonna fall apart on you. What's so unique about that? You take it out from the keychain, plug it in into one of these. Quick example. Boom. You see it? It works really well. And then you can adjust it. With 2 hands it would be easier to adjust. Got it here, new Gerber Spork. As you can see, you have right here tool built into your spoon. So, like a camping spoon, there's different material, different price for this one. So, as you can see, this one is aluminum, big spoon. Look how much it can grab on. Nice and level beautifully for one of those camping pots, and a beautiful fork, very lightweight. So on this side you have a can opener, sharp edge over here, and looks like pry bar. So how do we pull this out? Just pull it, that's it. And this is a little rubber stopper, that's it. So, okay, can opener obviously will work really well. Not super sharp, but nowadays they make them really soft. The cans, you just go like this and cut it to the can, and a little like a rope cutter. And also that pry bar used dual purposes. So whenever you put it into the pot, it's not gonna slide in. You see, in a big pot, it will hold itself like that. So little hook. Then I have right here really tiny lighter, like a keychain. As you can see, it has a little ring. Okay, pull this out. Let's stack it. Wow, gives off pretty nice stack. I would have to zoom in on that. That's tiny. So then, pretty sure we just pull on it, kind of pull and twist. There you go. Lighter fluid. Doesn't take too much. Lock it back in. Okay, dried it out. Let's open it, see if it works. Wow, look at that big striker. Beautiful little light, don't you guys think? Wow, that is tiny. So yeah, tiniest light I've seen in a while. Got it here, Gerber fishing tether. So let's pull this out. Okay, there goes nothing. Whoa, check this out. This one a little bit different for what I've seen. So this side here has a little tightening over here, so I guess you can put it through something and tighten it up. Wow, that's unique. And then you have, how this works. Whoa, that's tight. Okay, it locks in if you wanted to. Whoa, that is really far. That's nice. So instead of a clip, you have a lot of better system to lock it in. What is this? Oh wow, this is lock, unlock. Wow, that's cool. I never seen that before. So it's locked, unlock it, you can lock it so it does not come off. I'm glad I bought it. The one I showed you before, much cheaper, doesn't do this. Unlock, wow, it flies back up so quickly. Boom. Yeah, definitely can put it to something and lock it in, maybe like to the backpack strap or something like this. That is cool. And then you can really put to something thick and then lock it back through this way, so it looks like a giant pin. You know, those pins usually look like that. There's I guess button number, and make it tight. Wow, beautiful, one of a kind. You can put it to the carabiner as well, or to the clip. Lock works pretty good. Unlock. Very long pull, as you can see. So this is, as you can see, a really nice tool tether for fishing and whatever. Beautiful. This side here are really popular, tiny little money clip, and as you can see, it's have been heat treated, I guess, to where you have this different color. And I'm pretty sure this one is titanium, made in USA. That's a brand of knives. So that way you don't have ton of loose cash. Maybe you have a different type of wallet or just want to bring cash with you. You can put them to this way and boom, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Check this out. Looks pretty beautiful, doesn't it? This is what it looks like on this side and this side. The more bills there are, the different way you're gonna have to use it. It's not super flexible. Actually, it does have a really good flex. Wow. That's why we make videos out of it. So it can hold up quite a bit of cash. Cool. A door edge power claw. This is a bracelet with the buckle of a knife. Check this out. I guess we can use it to make a little adjustment over here. So, works really well to open up this little packaging. And so what's unique about it, you can lock it really well, really easily. But you don't unbuckle it to put it on and off. There's actually a little safety. This way you spin this open, so that way you not go cut yourself or anything. So you put it over onto your arm, and then you use this little nut to tighten it up. Yeah, there you go. Tighten it all the way up. It fits me really well. So you have right here a little paracord bracelet with the little outdoor edge. You can either wear it this way, probably this way better in my opinion. Tuck this in. Beautiful. When you need to pull off the knife, you're supposed to kinda, not the easiest thing to do, so nothing fast about it. You just pull this down, either release it all the way. I probably have to release it this way because it's not big enough for me to slide it down, and take it off. And then what you do is use this clip and pull this out, and then you can use it to like open packages, unbox things, and maybe cut rope and stuff like that. And if you have to, you can unravel this stuff up and you have a little bit of rope. Doesn't say how much. 17 feet or 5.2 meters of rope, which is quite a bit of rope. So usable. And again, to put it back on your hand, you want to plug it in first. That's how you use it, all the way. Then you put it over your hand. There you go. A little bit awkward, but not too bad. And tuck this in. Very unique everyday carry little tool with the rope.